5150 is the seventh studio album by American hard rock band Van Halen. It was released on March 24, 1986 by Warner Bros. Records and was the first of 4 albums to be recorded with lead singer Sammy Hagar, who replaced David Lee Roth. The album was named after Eddie Van Halen's home studio, 5150, in turn named after a California law enforcement term for a mentally disturbed person. The 5150 name has been used several times by Van Halen. The album hit number 1 on the Billboard 200 chart, surpassing the band's previous album, 1984, which had peaked at number 2 behind Michael Jackson's Thriller album, on which Eddie Van Halen made a guest appearance. Van Halen had considerable difficulty finding a replacement for the popular Roth. To make matters worse, Warner Bros. Records advised them to discontinue the Van Halen name, which Eddie and Alex Van Halen refused to do. The brothers and bassist Michael Anthony even considered having a series of temporary singers on the album to replace Roth, including Patti Smith, Eric Martin and Jimmy Barnes. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.